Hello friends, it's Sheree. How's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel and welcome to Thrifty Thursday. I forgot why I was here. Yeah, Thrifty Thursday, hashtag Thrifty Thursday. It's a hope and collab hosted by me. And yeah, I started this a couple of years ago and it's still going on and lots of people participate. So if you want to look for other participants, just search the hashtag Thrifty Thursday and you will get lots of videos. I promise. So yeah, and just be sure to link my channel and is that it? And use the hashtag. So the instructions will be below in case I forgot anything, but I have a quick one for you today. This is just a Dollar Tree haul. I kind of like have a few things to show you, but I wanted to separate them into places. Like I have a Dollar Tree haul, I have a thrift store haul, and I have a Temu haul. But the next one of the others, Temu or the thrift store, will be next Thursday. So anyway, I wanted to show you these because I think they're really pretty, and just a quick few things I can get put away here after I show them to you. So I'm really not buying stickers, but I bought a few stickers. So I'm trying to make cards this year, more cards. I already made a Father's Day card, which I showed you. I didn't do the tutorial on it, but I just showed you after it was made that I made a card for my dad for his birthday, which is when you see this video. Well, it's at the end of April. You'll see this video in May. But yeah, so I sent that to him. And I said when I made it, when I showed it on video, I said my parents will get a kick out of it because they'll be like, oh, Sheree made this, and oh, look at this, and look at that, you know, type of thing. And sure enough, you know, I didn't tell my parents I made it. I just mailed it to them, and my mom emailed me and said, wow, that card was really cool, and how did you do that? What kind of paper did you use? And all this kind of stuff. So it was a shirt. It looked like a shirt on the front of the card, and it had little die cut tools in a pocket. So really cute. And so anyway, so I bought some of these stickers. These right here I bought. Well, I can use any of these for a card, but these in particular with the little dogs are like, well, they say pop up right here. So well, both my kids have dogs, but my older son has two dogs. And my younger son, I don't know, I guess I could describe him more as a cat person. Him and his fiance. He's engaged. I didn't tell you guys. My younger son got engaged on April 14th. It was their 2-year anniversary of being together. And so he finally proposed. We were waiting. And he did it. He did it. And she said yes on April 14th. So she has a ring. They're engaged. And now they're already planning the wedding. But they say they're getting married in 1 year. So they've already started looking for a venue, and she already asked my granddaughter if my daughter-in-law if my granddaughter could be the flower girl. So won't that be cute? She'll be 3 by then. She'll be like 3.5. So hopefully everything will go well. You know how 3.5-year-olds. I was a 3-year-old flower girl, and for my aunt, and I was turning 4 the next month, so I was almost 4. And my mom says that we rehearsed and everything. I knew what I was supposed to do, but when it came right down to it, I stood at the top of the aisle and I didn't walk. So my mom and my grandpa came out and they took my hand, and the 3 of us walked down the aisle together. So, it doesn't get any better than that. So anyway, dogs for my older son. I have to get some cats, but I have some cat dyes, which was it cat dyes? I don't think I've showed this, or probably my Temu haul that I'll show you in my next video. But yeah, these are little dogs. These look like they're either beagles or basset hounds. They have these really long ears, and my older son had a beagle. So, and then there's little dogs here. So I thought my son, of course I won't put them all on one card, but I just thought I could probably use these on a card I make for my older son. And then, and these stickers here, I'll go ahead and show you these. I just thought these were so pretty, and I hadn't seen them before. And who doesn't love butterflies? I don't wonder if the flowers, like, is that just a decoration? Let's open it up and see if those flowers are stickers too, or is it part of the packaging. Let's open it up and see. I would like to know. Maybe you would too. in case you want to look for these at your Dollar Tree. But let's see. So there's one sheet, and so this is a sticker. Okay, that's a sticker, and that flower is a sticker. So those the flat ones. There's a butterfly, flower, flower, flower. Those are all stickers too, and then all these are like pop-up or 3D type stickers. But I really like the colors, so I got those. And so that goes in there. And then these hearts were just really different. These are called pop-up also. And they're just like, they're kind of like embossed too. There's a texture to them. So really different and pretty, aren't they? They feel like, would we like to take them out of the package? I think we would. Let's do it. So let's see what they are. Let's see what they are. Yeah, they definitely have a texture on them. And they're 2 layers. So let's see, these are pop-up, but they're 1 layer, the little ones, and the bigger ones are all 2 layers. So see this one here, you've got the heart shape in the back, and then this is kind of a cutout shape here on the front. So really different and pretty. So like I had to get them. I could use these on my Mother's Day card, or card for my mom for her birthday, or whoever. Another female that I make a card for. So that is the heart. So this one I wanted to open too. I'm kind of stashing things away for a future flamingo journal. So of course I had to go ahead. I have quite a few things, but I saw these and I don't think I have any flamingo stickers. If I do, it would be like one somewhere, but I don't have a whole set or anything. But I just wanted to see what this was all about. So this is called glass stickers. And so, of course, you're able to stick them onto glass. Apparently, it says magic on there, glass stickers. So really, do they feel any different than a regular sticker? They might be more plasticized. I'm not sure. But anyway, yeah, they're just, I would just use them like a regular sticker and add a little glue maybe. But if I was doing a flamingo journal, all of these things would go with a flamingo journal, because flamingos are a tropical bird, and so you've got the tropical flowers, the watermelon, and the tropical leaves there, palm tree with this flamingo, and a pineapple, and another watermelon. So super cute. And this jar is just a picture on so it's not a jar sticker or anything. This jar is just a picture on the packaging. So you could actually cut that out, couldn't you? And make a tag out of it. So I'll probably have to do that. Yeah, that's a good idea. And then I've been looking at this fabric for weeks, and I finally broke down and got it. I'm like trying not to buy any fabric, but let's see if I can get it untied to show you. I untied part of it. I thought I had it loose, but now I see there's another knot underneath the paper. And I was just using this. Boy, they really tie that on there, don't they? I wonder, I guess that's so no one, I think people still get them loose, and once in a while they mess them up or whatever. But yeah, I've been going to this $1 Tree now because it's close to where I work now. And oh, there we go. And they keep it so nice, and it's a good size one, so I really enjoy going in there. I'll go in the messy ones, but they're not as, nice to shop at as the ones that are kept really nice and neat. So yeah, I've been looking at this pack for weeks, and I finally broke down and got it before it disappears. So let me show you what the patterns are, so in case you haven't seen it, or if you have, you can really see the pattern. They're fat quarters, which are usually 18 by 22 inches. So it's a pretty striped, nice overall striped pattern. And the next one is this pretty red one. And of course, these all coordinate. That's how they usually do it in these Dollar Tree, or even the ones at Walmart or wherever. They put coordinating fabrics. And these look like starfish, colorful starfish, very pretty. Let's do it like this so you can see how they all coordinate. Very pretty, right? And then this pink one. So this is, what is the pattern on here? I'm not sure. Is it floral? It looks like, I'm not sure what it is exactly, but it's pretty, isn't it? Well, these are flowers in here. I just don't know what all this is out here exactly. Like, is it petals or leaves? Not sure, but I love it. I love the pink and white, so that's there. So there's no pink in here. So that's the only one that might not really coordinate with it. Oh, there's some pink in here. Look at that. So that would go together. That would definitely go together. Okay. And then then this would brings in all the colors. And so does this. This has a little pink in it too. Right there. Okay. But let's see what this pattern is. This one's really pretty. This was on top, right under the tag. So isn't that gorgeous? Got the beautiful flowers here. Little berries, leaves. This pretty floral. So yeah, that is all of my Dollar Tree haul for this week. Now I did get those glass bottles, which I showed you. I am putting my pins in for my shop. So if you need, or if you didn't see that video, was this? By the time you see this, it'll be a couple weeks ago. But I showed you a video where I put art glitter glue pins in one of those glass bottles with the cork lid from Dollar Tree, and you can buy one in my shop for $2.50 plus shipping. And you get 5 art glitter glue pens, the stainless steel ones that you're supposed to use, and you have a little glass bottle to store them in, which I think is really cool. So there you go. That's it from this week's Thrifty Thursday. I hope you enjoyed my Dollar Tree goodies, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.